Besengcono kakhulu isiminyaminya lapha uma kuqhathaniswa nangesonto ledlule abazofaka icelo bathi uhlelo lokubhalisa liyabasebenzela.
Yesterday was very traumatic, and not even traumatic, but it was like there was no system, and only afterwards they're trying to work out something for the people, which I think was a good idea.
Abanye bathi beze ngezicelo abazifaka ngoNhlolanja ingakahlaseli iCovid-19 kuleli.
I'm a qualified nurse. I had to resign because of the child with a congenital heart disease. And I was scaling inside. And then the supervisor heard me. And then her name is Samantha Smith. And she helped me all along to find out that the money was approved in October last year already.
Isasa iphezulu komshikashika ukuvuselela icelo ezicela izinkulungwaneni ezingama-53 esifundazweni zabangakhona ukusebenza ngenxa yokulimala.
SASSA has recruited additional doctors to assist with medical assessments for disability grant applications. We have also concluded an agreement with the City of Cape Town for additional venues.
Kusenjalo yanda imigqa yabazofaka isicelo semali esikhwameni somshwalense wabangasebenzi i-UIF emva kokuphelelwa umsebenzi kulesivunguvungu se-COVID-19.
I'm actually seven months pregnant, and I see there's no staff that is coming to check if everyone is okay. And then we've been here since 6 o'clock in the morning.
Ipuntshile imizamo yokuthola bakwa-UIF ukuze baphawule. Kusenjalo inhlangano elwela amalungelo abantu izophenya amalungana nokufuthwa ngamanzi kwabantu esikhungweni seSASSA eBellville ngenxa yokungaqaqani.